YouTube, welcome back. Coming to you with a crazy video. Me and Max were trading live completely free in the MLT Discord, and we both happened to see complete opposite setups. He got in longs, I got in shorts, and we had to battle to the death. Find out who was the winner, who came out victorious, and I dropped a whole trading recap of why I decided to take the trade I took and the best setup of the day that I ended up spotting later. Don't miss out. It's just an aggressive candle too, isn't it? Stop on top of that is 25, 30 points. Off this wick out, it's kind of shorter and it filled.
I like the short. I didn't even freaking get a chance. Yeah. I liked it a lot. The break back in the orb here.
On the little wick out, I'm going to jump.
Yeah. You got to watch here. If it breaks back through, I'll probably hit a buy. Right here, 602. Oh, wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close.
I'm selling this one, my boy.
You going short?
Nothing. Yeah, I'm going to short. See if we can continue melting or not.
It's a good looking short, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's a good looking short. I'm going long though.
The battle of the fatties.
Uh-oh. Llama went short. Big Daddy went long.
I'm in the short here, guys.
I'm in the long at 3.0. What is that?
312? I'm in at 312 shorting.
I'm at 312 long. I'm at 312 long.
Battle between.
Here we go.
See if we can break back in. I wanted to print. It didn't print in. That was my problem here. A break of this low is my break even.
I need orb to. I needed to close outside of orb.
We needed to close in orb, guys. We needed to close in orb, guys. We needed to close inside orb here, guys.
I'm gonna.
A break of this low is our break even here.
You're gonna get it. Oh, nice, Llama. Nice. Here we go. My stop is down at 90. Nice, Llama. Smoking me.
Get it. Let's get it. Let's break this low here. If we break this low, we could get a free fall.
Oh, yeah. This is a beautiful 3-bar. I am stopped out of my short. Llama with the fucking banger.
I'm break even here. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But I am break even here, guys. We're currently rolling up 80 ticks. Feel free to take partials whenever the fuck you guys want. Let's see if we can continue here. I want to print through that low, not a wick. I want to print through. Yeah. Hopefully next candle just goes straight down after that. It printed at it. Let's get a continuation here.
Let's go, Llama. Let's go, Llama. I am going to hold out of a trade until this is done.
Yeah, I'm trailing closer here. I'm on top of that candle now just in case it wakes out.
Llama, let's go, baby.
I'm currently in on 8 pro accounts. Trailing very closely here. I'm fucking rolling right now. I just did an 8K withdrawal. I'm about to do another fucking 2 bands today. We're
oh, yeah. Too easy. Too easy, Llama.
I'm trailing closer here. I'm not giving back that much money. I want to see midline on the S here. We're kind of fucking moving here, guys. We're kind of moving here. I'm trading closer at 86 on these accounts. And then I'm giving my other accounts a little bit more space here. I want a continuation candle. I don't want to just tap back over here. I want to see it just continue dumping.
That was a
picture
perfect short from SP.
I'm tapped out. I'm tapped out of the one that's on TradingView. The other accounts are still in. I didn't get tapped out, but it looks like I'm about to be tapped if we don't wick and flip here.
That was a beautiful.
If we don't wick and flip here.
Short.
If we don't wick and flip here, I am tapped. I'm tapped.
Let's go, Llama.
What the fuck, bro? What is this slippage? I was up fucking 600. That shit gave me 364. What the fuck?
Bro, the slippage is outrageous right now.
And there's the fucking dirty bitch, bro. This shit is disgusting. The slippage is too nasty for me to take trades, honestly. I'm gonna keep it real with you. That was fucking disgusting, guys. Okay. So, today was very, very ugly price action. Not ugly price action, but we just had such a big range where today's volume was crazy. Every candle was obnoxiously big. I personally didn't see any really good setups. I had liked the buy from the start. This was the first area of interest I had based off of a higher time frame FVG. And we ripped to start. We ripped to start over 100 points the first 2 minutes of the day. I had areas of interest here, which is the midline of FEG. This is pretty obvious here, and it also ran, but I didn't take it because I wanted to be patient. I was honestly very scared because I know if you click the wrong button on a day like today, you're going to lose a lot of money. So I waited. I really didn't see nothing too good here, nothing too good here. The only possible trade that I took, the only one that's worth doing this recap for, is this right here at 10:01. Where was it? 10:01. We had already broke into orb very clean here, and on NQ we didn't. So I want to say this wasn't even the trade I took. I think it was something like this. I want to say is where I jumped in at. Yeah, this was the trade I took. It was like a very, very small trade, where the second I saw his break back in and I saw his retab orb, I had basically jumped right here, and I had to stop on the top of the prior candle. But I went into profit like relatively fast. And there it is. This was the trade I took. It wasn't the greatest RR, but we trailed it very close and we got out of our stops pretty good. So it was just a simple break back into orb and try to flush, and then I want to say I trailed really close and it took me out like within 2-3 minutes. It was like a simple scalp, but it's just aggressive, bro. Like today was just really, really aggressive. This ran for 50 points in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, which was fucking crazy. Once this candle took this low, I told you guys we're break even here, so I was break even really fast within like the first minute, and we just took it down, trailed really close. It took us out. I think Max took this long here, closed it out, and then it came right back down, and I was like, okay, this is getting nasty, but we were still inside orb, and I kept saying we're probably going to target midline of orb or this big ass FEG that got tapped here. And what happened? ES ended up going, this ended up going, tapping into this and just bouncing crazy. The next idea I had, but it wasn't a good trade, and I want people to understand this, is that we had our overnight session swing. Look at the meltdown that happened off of this. I had called this to you guys live saying this is an area of interest, but what was my problem here? None of my checklists got presented, so there was no trade to take except for entries here, which is already dangerous because it comes in and then it ripped the fucking 200 ticks, but I didn't even take it, you know? I waited for it to come back down and it just kept going, and I left my day how it was. On the evals, I was able to close up close to $1,000 per account just based off of the few scalps that we took with Max and this sell-off. And then on my live accounts, I only made, I'd have to open it up, $370 per account. I made $370 per account on the lives, which was on this sell-off, and I didn't take anything else, and I played with the evals because there was more setups, but $370x a couple accounts is free money. So I don't give back free money. Once I take it out, I don't give it back. I hop on the evals. Actually, I lied to you. These aren't evals. Boom. Pro accounts, 3 of them. 1 of them was short because when I was passing all of these accounts at once, I didn't have a trade copier, and this account ended up losing on what I go on all the accounts on 1 account. So I have 3 lives. I played them pretty close, made almost 1,000 per, but I'm building the buffer. And then on my already pro accounts, $370 per account, and then my other batch of 5 I have sitting because I don't want to touch them. I'm trying to build more. I don't care about withdrawing out of the 5 every fucking time. I'm trying to build 50 to 100 accounts, which is what everyone should do. Is you buy accounts, once you pass and you withdraw, you buy more accounts and buy more accounts and buy more accounts because you want to have a couple million in funding. So now you don't have to go for a crazy day. You can go for now $500 times 10 accounts is 5K. You get what I'm saying? You don't have to go for those 2-3K trades and try to wish on a star and over risk the accounts. I like to keep these accounts alive. These accounts for me, they're like gold. I'm keeping them alive. So I just showed you guys 2 batches of accounts, 3 already pro that I've been withdrawing out of, and then 3 in buffer with an eval attached to it. And then my other 5, I'm leaving them just sitting there. I don't care. Those are going to sit there. I'd rather risk the 3 that I just have so I can get a withdraw out of the 3 and then buy more accounts to then make that batch 5, make the batch that has here 4, 5, and then buy another 5. So the only setups that I seen today was this, and this didn't give me my checklist other than this cell here. Once it breaks through and IFEG's here, it was good to go, but it wasn't as clean, but it did run here just off this. So this is solid work here. You know, our key levels here, Once they break back under, it's a lot of, looking kind of good, but not great. So we're disciplined, and that's that. It's very simple.